Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Google Ads account without starting a campaign. This is perfect if you just want to set things up first before running any ads. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, click on the Start Now button at the top right corner. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your existing details. If not, you'll need to create a new one. After signing in, Google will try to push you into creating your first campaign right away. But don't worry, we're not doing that yet. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a small link that says Switch to Expert Mode. Click that. This will let you skip the default Smart Campaign setup and give you full control over your account. Next. Google will once again prompt you to start a campaign. This time, you'll see the option to create an account without a campaign. Go ahead and select that. This tells Google that you want to set up your account now, but you'll create campaigns later when you're ready. Once that's done, Google will ask for your billing information. Don't worry, you won't be charged unless you actually start running ads. Just enter your payment details to move forward. Finally, Google will show you your account settings, including your business name, time zone, and currency. Double-check that everything looks good, and then click Submit, and that's it. You've successfully created your Google Ads account without launching a campaign. Now you can explore your dashboard, get familiar with the tools, and set up your audience and tracking before you spend a single dollar on ads. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.